Do you want to know how you can change the export preferences in Photoroom? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change the export preferences of files in Photoroom. Go ahead and open Photoroom, which is on your phone. Now to go to preferences, what you need to do is tap on your content and go to preferences. So to change the preferences of file, you must go ahead and tap on either JPG, PNG or WEP. For you to export files in WEP, you must have the pro version of Photoroom. So what you can do is export your files in JPG, or if you want it in PNG, tap on PNG and the export file size or export quality will be changed accordingly. So let me show it to you once again how you can change your preferences. Go to Photoroom and then go to your content. Go to preferences and you can see the export preference over here. Choose whichever you want. There are three options: JPG, PNG or WEP. Choose it and then you can change your export preferences in Photoroom. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.